got here today.
Of course, thanks for having me. It's always good to see you. So for those who don't know me, I am all about the latest in technology. Just got myself a new 4K TV. It's completely changed my life. Brian, have you ever sat in front of a 90-inch 4K TV before?
No, not a 90-inch one, but I would love to if I could.
Well, it will change you like it's changed me. So now, naturally, everything I do, I try to do it in 4K. So before I got to IDF, I was lucky enough to get my hands on a couple of 7th generation core systems, and after a couple of days of testing, I am happy to report they're meeting all my 4K needs beautifully. So my favorite feature of 7th generation core is that it's hardware accelerated for HEVC 10-bit codec. So what does that mean? Well, it means that it can play the highest quality Hollywood premium 4K content on the market today without a hitch. Like this example that I have here on this 7th gen powered HP 2-in-1 with beautiful 4K display. So we're working with other partners soon to bring some of this premium content to life, but what do you think, Brian? This looks pretty good, right?
Yeah, it looks like a great movie experience.
So you literally transform that 4K movie experience now to your 2-in-1 and take it wherever you want. But Brian, you don't just pay me to watch movies.
No, I like a little more.
What? I do other stuff. Alright, so let's talk about content creation for a second. So let's take a look at all these little devices here. I've got point and shoots, action cams, stands, I've got 360 cams, I've even got 6 GoPros in one to create a 360 degree, and then of course you see these drones that are shooting 4K. So we're talking about tons of storage. And what do we have to do with that storage? Well, we have to put it on our PC. And so I went around San Francisco yesterday, I shot a couple of hours of footage with my GoPro in 4K, and I wanted to show on the same 7th gen system just how beautifully our GoPro Studio can handle this in its 4K UI. We're able to look at individual videos, we're able to put them together, add a template, add music, edit on the fly, and we can do it all from our backpack, which is really, really great, taking it anywhere. So, content creation, movie watching, 4K, 7th generation's got us covered, Brian.
That's amazing. I mean, I usually do that, turn it on overnight, and come back in the morning and hope it's done.
That's right, and now with all the bells and whistles and quick-sync technology, we can get it done now. We'll probably be coming back tomorrow to see the final result of something like this. So that's the 4K story. Now, before I go, Brian, you know, I can't leave without touching on gaming. And you know I'm always pushing the boundaries of processor graphics. And so I have something really, really special to show everyone, but instead of me talking about it, why don't you just take this for a spin. So this is a 7th gen powered Dell XPS, and it's using processor graphics, i5 ultra-low voltage to play Blizzard's latest and greatest title, Overwatch. And as you can see, it's playing it really pretty bad, which is great, awesome. So, Brian, what do you think? I mean, it's really smooth. Go ahead and take a spin so everyone can just kind of see how smooth that is. And it looks like you got your special ability. Why don't you go ahead and hit that? So he's a pro. We've been practicing a little bit, so that's processor graphics on the new 7th gen. It looks pretty good, right?
Fantastic. Thanks a lot, Chris.